not taking classes will definitely have to read the material, because that is from where they will actually learn all the concepts, right? Now in the material, behind every chapter there is a summary, right? Maybe 2 to 3 pages summarizing the entire chapter. This is very, very important for quick revision, which happens maybe 2 to 3 weeks before the exams. So it's very important that you also go through the summary notes at least once or twice before the exam. Then are the back questions, or the questions which are there behind each chapter. Again, it's very, very important, because sometimes we have seen that these questions directly or indirectly come in the examinations. And obviously the X assignments. So in the current material which you have of IFOA or IAI, there is something called as X assignments. There are some papers in which you will get 5 X assignments: X1, X2, X3, X4, X5. There are some papers there are only 3 X assignments, and so on. So solving X assignments is very, very important. So what they do is, when you see the table of contents of the material, they divide the entire, suppose there are 23 chapters in a particular paper, they divide these 23 chapters into various sections. Each section might contain 5 to 6 chapters. So for these 5 to 6 chapters you have one X assignment. So the moment you finish these 5 chapters, it's very important that you sit down and solve the X assignment. Generally these X assignments are of 100 marks each, so it's like a mock paper which you are sitting for after completing that required portion. So it's very important to solve these, because you will understand how well your concepts have been evolved, and what are the places you actually have to work upon, right? So this is one thing.